The Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops SWA24S is a compact tactical folding knife built for everyday carry. It features a 3.1-inch, approximately equals 78 mm clip-point blade in 7CR17 MOV high-carbon stainless steel with a black oxide finish, offering a solid balance of edge retention and corrosion resistance. Smith & Wesson +2 blade HQ +2. The aluminum handle is likewise finished in black, adorned with thumb studs, an index flipper, and dual thumb knobs for swift deployment. Smith & Wesson +1A liner lock keeps the blade safe when open, and the overall length clocks in at about 7.1 inches, 180 millimeters. Smith & Wesson, at this price point, it's a solid entry-level tactical folder. Just don't expect premium materials or high-end finish.